In this lecture, I am going to explain grammar generated by language. So here grammar will be given and I have to generate language for that. First expand the given language and then introduce possible variables and production rules. The smallest length words are used as terminating point for recursive productions. I am going to explain this with example. So language is given over here, that is a power n c b power n, where n should be greater than or equal to 1. For this I am going to find grammar. So first step, I have to expand this language. If n is greater than equal to 1, if n is equal to 1, I will be getting a c b. If n is equal to 2, I will be getting a c b b. If n is equal to 3, I will be getting a cube c b b. If you see this language, there is only one c in all the cases. So I am going to write a production. S derives c. So I can choose any non-terminal of my choice. I have chosen S. Now if I substitute, I want to find for this. Suppose if I write A S B, then I can find this language, this S A S B. Instead of this S, if I substitute C, then I will be getting A C B. Suppose I want to find for this, I am taking A S B. Instead of S, I am going to substitute A S B. Again this B. Now if instead of this S, I am going to substitute C. So I will be getting A C B B. So I got this language. Suppose I want to find for this A S B. Instead of S, I am going to substitute A S B again. Again instead of this S, I am going to substitute A S B. Instead of this S, I am going to substitute C, so that I will be getting this. So now I got A cube C B cube. Through this I can find A power 4. If I substitute this one more time, I will be getting A power 4 C B power 4 and so on. These two production is suitable for this language. So I am going to write language, that is Vn, that is set of non-terminal. Here I have used only one non-terminal S, and sigma, that is set of terminal. In question itself it's given A, B, C, so I am writing it. And I have found two production, that is P, that is set of production rule. One is S tends to small letter c, another one is S tends to A, S, B. And here I have used only S production, so the start symbol is S. This is how we have to find grammar for the language.